Hi there, this is Ranjit and I have the Moto X4 with me, and this is the new 6GB RAM variant. And if you recall, I had already reviewed this Moto X4 earlier. I just got this, this was just launched a couple of days ago. This is a review unit I got. So let's have a look. I won't do a traditional unboxing because again, it should be almost identical to this one, but let's see what is the difference that we get. So let's quickly open this up. And one funny thing that I noticed is the pricing here is quoted as 29,990, but this is selling for 25,000 via Flipkart. This is for the 6GB RAM variant, guys. Still the 3GB and the 4GB RAM model are selling. 4GB is for 23 and 3GB RAM model is for 21,000. I frankly feel this 4GB RAM model is the, I would say, value for money. But anyways, if you require that 6GB of RAM, so we get this in a different color, so that's a nice thing. We can compare the color. So again, if you haven't checked out the X4, this comes with this dual camera setup, and one is a regular one, and then the second one actually is a wide angle lens. So it's also IP68 water resistant, so that's a nice thing. So you can dip it in water and it'll still work. Comes with Snapdragon 630 SoC. Again, in terms of specs, it's the same as the regular X4. I don't think so the accessories will also change. Same stuff that you're going to get. It comes with a Moto turbo fast charger, so that's the same thing that we are getting. And I don't recall if the old one had a headset, but this one is also having a headset. Again, that in-ear style headset that you are getting, but quality looks pretty average to me. And obviously this will be the Type-C cable. So let's keep this to the side. Let's boot it up and see the difference. And again, those who haven't checked out the X4, here are the specs for the Moto X4. The Moto X4 is powered by the Snapdragon 630 SoC. It has a 5.2-inch 1080p IPS LCD screen. It is having the Adreno 508 GPU. Now it comes with 3GB, 4GB, and this 6GB RAM model. And storage is 32 or 64GB of internal storage. It has dual camera setup for the rear-facing camera, a 3000 mAh battery, and it is also IP68 rated. So guys, I've just finished setting up this device. Again, as I've told you, it's the same thing as the regular X4. Only big difference is in RAM. This had 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, but this one is having now 6GB of RAM. Let's see. Actually, let me show you. And I think so this comes out of the box with Android Oreo. Let me adjust the brightness. It's pretty bright. Yeah, a lot better. And if you go to system, and if we go to about the phone, as you can see, it's coming with Android version 8.0 out of the box. This old one, this is also as you can see, it's still running on the Android version 7.1.1. But this regular one also, the 4GB variant will be getting, and already the Android Oreo is being rolled out. So not a big difference. Biggest difference is in terms of memory. This has 6GB of RAM. This has 4GB of RAM. Storage, again, I haven't added anything. So out of that 64, you roughly get about 50GB of space that you will get. So apart from that, it's almost the same. Everything is the same. I think so they improved the camera responsiveness. Let me try that dual camera thing with the depth and all those things. So let's quickly try. It has everything, all those Moto gestures and stuff. So yeah, this is fast. And HDR from here. Depth, yeah, depth is what I wanted to check. Earlier with depth, it used to take quite a bit of time to take the shots, but let's see if they improved that. And yeah, now if you notice, it's not taking that much time to save this depth photographs. Earlier it was taking a lot more time, so that has been improved. And apart from that, it's the regular Moto X4, but now you have the choice of 3GB of RAM, 4GB of RAM, and 6GB of RAM. Pricing is for the 6GB that comes with 64GB is 25,000. 4GB in India comes with 64GB, that's for 23,000. And the 3GB RAM variant is coming with 32GB of internal storage, that comes with 21,000. 1000. So guys, this was a very quick and first look video of this Moto X4 6GB variant. Guys, I won't be posting a full in-depth review with the 6GB RAM variant. I've already posted the in-depth review of this Moto X4 with this, that is the 4GB RAM variant. Link for that will be there in the YouTube description area. So if you want to know more the pros and cons about this device, check out that video. Regarding the camera lag, I think so that is now solved. When I reviewed this about 2 months ago, there was a slight camera lag at that depth mode, but now as you saw that it has been reduced. So yeah, as you can see, again I tested that, yeah, it's definitely reduced. So guys, that's it for now for this quick video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video.